Start by removing the battery. Once you do that, you will have to remove the battery tray as well. You're going to need to remove the bottom engine mount so you can move the transmission up and down. Click the link in the upper right of the video or look in the description for the video link for more details on how to remove/replace that engine mount. Place a jack under the transmission and pump it up just a little to support the transmission and take the pressure off the mount. Remove the 4 bolts that attach the mount to the transmission. Use a bit of lubricant. It should help everything come out. Once you remove the 4 bolts, take out the center pin. To get the transmission to drop down straight, I had to use 2 jacks. I just messed around with the height of them until I got the transmission to come down straight enough to remove the old mount. Once you remove the old mount, install the new mount. Bolt down the 4 bolts and then put in the center pin. I'll put the torque specs in the description. Then just install the battery tray and battery and install the bottom engine mount. And just like that, you're all done.